You can argue the toss in a minute. I'm just going to do what I have to do. Then you'll have plenty of opportunity to argue. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Which at the minute isn't set in stone, is it? Okay, I'm only speaking to you at the minute. All right? Okay, right. So you're aware at the moment you're supposed to be wearing a face covering while travelling on public transport?
I've literally the whole time I haven't wore one, so...
No, I'm just saying, you are aware, there's signs all over the place, you are aware that you're supposed to...
It's not the law.
Listen, coronavirus legislation says that you should be wearing a face covering, okay? I'm not here to argue about it, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to explain why you should be wearing a mask. There's a pandemic on, okay?
Yeah, but they
All
don't
right?
work, mate. They don't work. Like,
Listen,
I'm
just telling you.
Okay, well,
The
I'm
legislation-
not breaking the law.
the legislation
So I
is-
haven't agreed to a legislation.
Listen, you don't have to agree to it,
I do.
okay?
I do. There's,
Listen,
by the law.
are you
if-
going to let me speak to you?
Okay, we can speak.
Okay.
It's not changing anything. Though.
No, well, oh. Right. So I'm at this present moment, I'm engaging with you asking why you're not wearing a face mask. You don't believe it, okay?
I don't want to wear one. I don't feel comfortable in one.
Okay, right. Are you exempt from wearing a face mask?
No.
Okay. Is there any reason you don't want to wear a face mask?
They don't work, and it's been proven many times now. Just search in Sweden, they banned it now from wearing a mask 5 days ago.
Okay, but you're aware that this isn't Sweden?
It's the same virus, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's not Sweden, is it? The UK legislation is slightly different.
But I haven't agreed to any legislation.
Listen, stop me. I'm just talking to you.
Okay.
Okay? You might have your opinions. I have a job to do. Okay? Right? So at the moment, you just don't believe in not wearing a mask. Right? One of the conditions of carriage on the underground at the moment is you wear a face covering. Okay? You're not wearing a face covering. Okay? So one of the options I have is to tell you to leave. Do you want to leave?
I'd like to, yes.
There you go. I know there's a lot of people that don't believe in this. Listen, look, I have a job to do.
But I defend you guys. When the Black Lives Matter and all that, you lot were thrown under the bus by the government. You were doing things that you didn't want to do, and I was sticking with you.